In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch download all photos and albums from Facebook. First, tap your profile image to open the menu and then scroll to the bottom and go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Select Off Facebook Activity on the next page from Security section and then tap More Options, then download your information. In the Request Copy tab, tap Deselect All and then tap Post so it's the only thing checked. You could leave everything checked if you want to save everything, but it's up to you. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and define the date, range, format, and media quality that should apply to the pictures. For example, you could select all of my data, HTML, and high. Then tap Create File. You'll immediately be taken to Available Copies tab to download your information screen. Wait for the pending status to go away and then select Download. Another way to see the download button if you don't want to wait is to watch for an email or Facebook notification saying it's ready and then follow the link you're given. Then, Facebook will open in your browser, log in if asked, and then accept the download. It'll save to your phone as a zip file. And that's it. That's how you batch download all photos and albums from Facebook.